Arsenal fans were caught by surprise when the club signed Christian Norgard from Brentford. Not the biggest name, not a flashy player, but if you look closer, this transfer actually makes a lot of sense. In this video, we'll break down why Arsenal signed Norgard, what he brings to the team, how he fits alongside Declan Rice and Martin Odegaard, and the real reason why Arsenal didn't end up signing Martin Zubimendi. Let's get into it. Norgard has been one of the most consistent midfielders in the Premier League. At Brentford, he was their midfield leader, great at winning tackles, reading the game and doing the hard work that often goes unnoticed. He's not flashy, he doesn't dribble past 5 players or score screamers, but he's smart, solid and reliable, everything you want from a holding midfielder. Mikel Arteta values players who understand their role and help the team structure, and that's exactly what Norgard does. Arsenal already have top midfielders like Declan Rice, Martin Odegaard, and even players like Kai Havertz who can rotate. But one thing was clear from the last season. In tough games or when Rice pushed forward, Arsenal were open in transition. They needed someone who can just sit in front of the back four, break up play and bring calmness. That's where Norgard fits perfectly, a defensive shield who lets the other midfielders play their game with more freedom. This signing isn't about replacing Rice, it's about getting the best out of him. Declan Rice is brilliant when he's driving forward, covering ground and pressing high. But he can't do all that if he's also having to stay deep and protect the defense. With Norgard in the squad, Rice gets more chances to push forward without leaving gaps behind. It gives Arteta options. He can use both in a double pivot or rotate them depending on the opponent. It's squad depth with the balance. Then there's Martin Odegaard, the captain, the playmaker and a key part of Arsenal's attack. Odegaard works best when the midfield behind him is stable. With someone like Norgard anchoring the midfield, Odegaard doesn't need to drop too deep. He can stay high, link up with Saka and focus on creating chances. It's about giving Odegaard the freedom to play his natural game, knowing there's cover behind him. Let's clear something up. Arsenal were very interesting in signing Martin Zubimendi. He's technically excellent, composed under pressure and fits the way Arsenal play. The club decided to pay his release clause and Mikel Arteta saw him as a long-term solution in midfield. So the move just happened because Zubimendi is technically versatile, wanted to keep playing for them even with Champions League offers on the table. So Arsenal had to look for another midfield to replace Partey and Jorginho, and that's where Christian Norgard came in. A proven Premier League performer ready to slot into Arteta's system right away. So how does Norgard actually fits into the squad? He'll mainly be used as a number 6 sitting in front of the centre backs. In games where Arsenal needs more control, especially away matches or in Europe, Norgard adds that extra defensive security. He also gives Arteta the freedom to rotate players like Rice and Odegaard over a long season. And if Arsenal need to defend a lead late in the game, bring on Norgard to help close it out. Let's look at some numbers. Norgard was among the best in the Premier League last season for interceptions, tackles and recoveries. He doesn't take risks in dangerous areas and he rarely loses the ball under pressure. That's the kind of safe, undependable midfielder Arsenal need in tough matches. He's also got experience having captained Brentford, which adds leadership to the dressing room. This isn't a blockbuster transfer and that's okay. Teams that win titles need more than just stars, they need players who understand their job and help the team stay balanced. Norgard gives Arsenal that. He's Premier League ready, doesn't need time to adapt and fits the way Arteta wants to play. It's a signing that makes the team better as a whole, even it doesn't make headlines. So now you know why Arsenal signed Christian Norgard. He's not just a backup, he's a tactical piece, a defensive shield, and a player who helps others like Royce and Odegaard playing their best football. Arsenal went for Zubimendi, they didn't panic. They made a smart, calculated decision and signed someone who can deliver from day one. Let us know in the comments, do you think Norgard will be a key player this season? Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notification for more deep dives, and we'll catch you in the next one.